Are we started?
I said okay.
Here we go. Our little girls. Play, play, play. Come on, Miss Girly, Miss Silver Pretty Girl. Silver patch and white with two beautiful, huge green eyes. Just adorable. Coated galore. And then here we have Miss Tapestry with the blue eye and the green eye and that incredible, gorgeous head. Actually, her eyes could be trimming, but they're still huge and beautiful. Come over here and play. Come on. We have one who wants to play and one who wants to go to sleep. They just got their baths. So they're a little bit like, what's going on here, Mom? Come on. There you go. Play, play, play. Play, play, play. I think we're growing up pretty. Very pretty. Tapestry? Tapestry is a love bug. She says, just love me. Whereas this one says, play with me. Alrighty.